Do you want to unlock your profile from your Facebook using an iPhone? Hi there, this is Eve and here's how to unlock a locked Facebook profile on iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Open Facebook, tap Menu, tap Profile, tap 3-dot. Here you will see an unlocked profile option. Tap See Your Profile for any reason if this option does not come on this page. Go back, scroll down, tap Setting and Privacy, tap Setting, scroll down, find out the Unlock Profile feature, tap the lock icon, tap Unlock Your Profile, tap OK. Now go back, tap the 3-dot. So guys, that's how you can unlock your Facebook profile on your iPhone. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.